Okay, for classwork 1-6, grab that handout that I gave you. You're going to fill in the bottom half, of course. Just write these choices and then prove to me that you listen by writing the 3 words. There's only 3 secret words for this video. But again, looking at graphs that we give you and then choices and seeing which one applies to that graph. And then intervals. Intervals always measured from left to right, where those numbers slice through that x-axis, where those intervals start and stop through those x-axis. That's where I'm getting these numbers here. So that first choice says, first word is blue, blue. First one says, this graph's increasing, going uphill, uphill from left to right, going uphill from 2 to 4. If I look at this one from 2 to 4, this guy is going downhill, so it's not applying to A. But if you look at this guy right here, from 2 to 14, clearly going uphill right there. So that means that applies to B. That's going uphill from left to right, from 2 to 14 on the x-axis. Again, measuring intervals always on that x-axis, not the y-axis. Next one says increasing from 1 to 4. So I can see right here, there's no data for this one at 1, so it doesn't apply to B. So the only way it could apply would be to A. Looking at A, from 1 to 4, again going downhill, so that one doesn't apply to neither of them. So I'm just going to leave that one blank. All right, next one. This graph is decreasing on the interval from -4 to 1. If I look at that, -4, no -4s for the B one, doesn't apply to B. But if I look at this one, -4 to 1, going straight. So another one that doesn't apply to either A or B. All right, this one, decreasing from 1 to 4, and again, that's 1 to 4 on the x-axis. For B, there is no 1, doesn't apply to B. But if I look at A, from 1 to 4, clearly going downhill. So there we go, that one applies to A. And then the last one, increasing from -6, next word is wave. Thanks for listening, wave. The last one is increasing, going uphill from -6 on the x-axis to -4, and I can see right away that applies to A, where again nothing on B has that -6, so that is another one that applies to A. So those would be my winning combinations. This is going to be a click and drag problem. So only one applies to B, 2 of them apply to neither, and then the bottom 2 apply left to right according to what it's saying for graph A. All right, last word is danger. Danger. Don't show those words to anybody, please. Good luck. Talk to you in a bit.